Assembly steps for 42 cm. Model with desktop stand. First, install the desktop stand. You can check the instruction manual first. It contains the assembly steps. Next, remove the foam packaging from the bracket. The part of the bracket with the metal ring can extend the bracket rod. Align the recessed side of the bracket rod with the screw hole on the bracket base. Then rotate the bracket rod clockwise to tighten it. Next, install the bracket universal joint. Turn clockwise to tighten it. After assembling the bracket, tighten it again to ensure that both the top and bottom of the bracket are securely tightened. After installing the bracket, assemble the holographic fan. The package contains an accessory pack. When installing the fan LED strip, make sure the large holes on the LED strip correspond to the holes on the host unit. After installation, confirm that there are no gaps in the middle of the fan blades. Turn to the back of the fan and use the included screwdriver to secure the fan screws to the screw holes. After installation, you can gently pull the last strip to confirm that it is securely installed. Next, adjust the universal joint of the bracket and fix the fan to the bracket. Align the screw holes on the back of the fan with the bracket's universal joint and tighten. Press and hold the universal joint of the bracket and rotate the fan clockwise to tighten it. After tightening the screws, you can shake the whole thing to check if it is tightened properly. The fan is where the memory card is located. Press it to eject it. Once you've confirmed that the installation is correct, simply power on the fan and it's ready to use.